Assalamu alaikum. My name is Malik Hassan Sajid and my registration number is F18BCS017. This is the demo video presentation of my final year project, Get Your Movies. So the project title is Get Your Movies and this project is supervised by Ma'am Samia Riaz. Moving on. Now let's talk about the team members of this project. I am the only member of this project and I have worked on my own for this project and tried my best. Moving on. Let's talk about some description about the project. Movies have been a major source of entertainment for some people for quite some time now. Watching movies online is the new norm, especially after COVID-19 pandemic. But it is hard to find when such a variety is available on the internet. Get Your Movies is a search and recommendation system that will help users to avoid going on different kinds of websites and separately searching for movies. This will help users to simply go to one place, which will save a lot of time, and the system will engage user in its interface. Moving on, let's talk about the perspective. This is a new project. However, there are similar kinds of websites available on the internet. Pick a Movie is one website. It has some serious defects and shortfalls, some of which are that it recommends based on a questionnaire, and that questionnaire has too many questions. It ends up being time consuming and tiring activity for the users to select a movie. It lacks the information about the actors of the movie. The website does not have reviews of the movie. It does not recommend users on the basis of the searched movie. Moving on, let's talk about the technical aspect. Python, HTML, CSS along with JavaScript, APIs, CSV files used from Kaggle, Visual Studio Code, etc. I mean, they've all been used in this project. This project was made on Windows operating system, and the framework used is Flask. Moving on, application area. Where will the project be used the most? This project will be used in normal houses from people who want to watch a movie, but they need a recommender system to tell them which movie would be suitable for them. Moving on, now let's talk about the objectives of Get Your Movies project. This site will eliminate the time taking process of selecting options as it is tiring and nerve wracking. It will provide description as well as the details of the movie such as overview, genre, rating, release date, runtime, cast, and information about them. It will cater movie selection audience and help them in their search without taking a lot of time. This system will be fast and convenient to work with. It will recommend movies without the need of any questionnaire. It will provide the details of the cast, and this will have no advertisements. The system will display movie reviews, which can be read by the user before watching the movie. It will recommend users on the basis of the searched movie, which the user search in the start. Now the audience will be the normal audience, those people who watch movies regularly or after some time, and whenever they need to watch movie, instead of searching for a movie all over the internet, they just need to use this system and they'll know what movie to watch. Now let's move on to the web application. So here is the web application. So this is where we can register an account. A user can register any account. Suppose let's make an account by registering one. As you can see, it asks to type more than 8 characters in the password. Now let's type. Oh, and the registration was successful. Now the login has appeared. Now let's type the same account. We can view this. Now by typing in the login, we will log into the system. Yes. So this is the home page. As you can see, there's a hovering effect on this search bar, and we can search any movie. Let's suppose by only writing some of the movie characters, the movies are appearing on their own. Let's search this one. Now the system is loading. Now here it is. After searching the movie, this is the image, the movie title, the overview, the rating, the genre, the release date, runtime status. Everything is available for the user to see. Even the cast is present here. The major actors who were in the movie, and we can also click on the cast members, and after clicking on them we can see clearly that it's a biography of the cast, including their birthday, their place of birth. And now the users can even scroll down further and see the movie reviews. These reviews are good reviews as well as bad reviews. Now after scrolling even more, the recommended movies can be seen, and these movies were recommended on the search given by us, on the searched movie given by us. These are the following recommended movies. As you can see, these are very similar to the movie that we searched. Now we can click on them, and here it is. So after searching a movie, we can easily get the recommended results and even the details of the movie. This is again the picture of the movie, and the overview, and the rating, the genre, the release date, the random. I mean, everything is present, and the cast. Here it is again. These are all the actors in the movie. And these are all the reviews again. And if we scroll further down, then these are the recommended movies of this movie now. Yes, this is the same movie that we searched earlier. Now, if we scroll up, as you can see, this is the footer set by me, and this is a system user can, as we have logged in the system, and after getting the desired result in very few time, user will know what movie to watch instead of spending lots of time and tiring himself. Now, there is also one option. As you can see, there is this LinkedIn symbol on the top right side. Now, if we click on the symbol, this is my LinkedIn profile. When after clicking the symbol LinkedIn icon, my LinkedIn profile appears. So whenever a user wants to see the developer's LinkedIn profile, they can just click on it to view it, or even message me. So this is it. Thank you for your time.